Hello, hello friend, this is our first HTML video tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create our first web page. For that, we need to have our text editor, and we are going to use Notepad++ for editing our code. Now, first thing you need to create a HTML file, and you can save it on anywhere, in any location. And I'm giving it name first.html because this is our first web page. Now first thing you need to know, there are three basic tags which you need to include in all your HTML file. They are HTML, and in HTML every tag you open you must need to close it. Okay, now the second tag is head tag, which is HEAD. And one thing more you need to know, that HTML is not case sensitive, means you can write capital or in small. I prefer to write tags in small. Okay, now the third tag is body tag. So these are the three basic HTML tags. Now you can save your code, and for running it just double click on it. Okay, so this is our first web page, and this is just a blank page. Now first thing I'm gonna teach you is how to create your title, means how to set title of web page. So in HTML, all the things you do is you do by tags. Like setting a title is just write title and give the title, and then close the title tag. Okay, now save your code and reload your browser. So this is the title of our web page, just first web page. Okay, now notice, put your title tag inside your head tag. Okay, now for writing anything in body of your web page, you can just write it. Now save your code and reload your web page. Okay, so whatever you write between body is going to print. Okay, now basically HTML formats, HTML is used for formatting your web page. Okay, now just like you need to, for creating headings in a web page, we use h tag followed by 1, 2 or 3 or 6. For bigger heading, use h1 tag, close h1 tag and write the heading or anything you want. Okay, now just save it. So this will print you heading, means in bigger font. Okay, so this is our heading of the biggest size. Now for a smaller heading, you can write small headings. Okay, just close your tag, save and reload your web page. This is a small heading. Okay, now for writing a paragraph, just use p tag or /p for closing a paragraph. This is a paragraph. You can write bunch of text here, and this is gonna be your paragraph. Save your code and reload your web page. Okay, now as you notice that I changes line in my code, and in a web browser there is no line change. Okay, so basically HTML does not do it automatically. You need to put line break in HTML. Line break are used for changing a line. We have a simple br tag. Okay, you can write it as it is, or you can do by this way. I prefer to write line break in this way. Okay, so we put 2 line breaks there. Now reload our code. So we have these 2 line gaps here. Okay, so this is our basic web page which have a simple heading. Let me delete this. And this page have some content, like we can make it some meaningful. We can write here address, and we can put our address here, okay, which is LIG 94 Nehru Nagar, Kotra, New Delhi, or whatever be your address, and put a line break there here. And now reload our web page. So this look like more meaningful. Okay, now these are the simple tags. For more, view my next video. Thanks for watching.